I need to go out somewhere out there. Somewhere out there. I don't need to update both channel avatars and information. Yeah, that's good. Good idea. Good, that's good, Wanda. Take care. You take care also, Wanda. Thank you so much for dropping by. Excuse me. See you on your stream. Okay. Latuya Williams, Wanda from Latuya Williams. I have 3 million people out there. Thank you. My Pyongyang, my boyfriend cheated on me one day. Oh, Latuya. My Pyongyang, my Shangy girl, mwah, 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 harang. Skip mo na yan, my Pyongyang. Don't worry about the harang. The skipping rope, that harang-harang. I'm not Bajo Bijat na now, my Pyongyang. I'm smells good now. I took a shower just a while ago. See? I'm fresh. Dana po. Thank you, my Pyongyang. Love, love. I need to highlight this one. Yan, 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 yan. Di na ba, Judith? Ba, di na. Ligo na, mi. Bakit 71 pa rin yung ano ko eh? Pamangkin. Hindi tumataas. Bilang yan eh. Ikaw, Bajo pa rin no. Bajo, bilat bino. No, may Pyongyang no. Paamoy ng minit. Ano na, mabango na. Madanga-danga na. Oy! Ay, nako. Ambot sa imo may Pyongyang. Ay. Ate Laren. Ate Laren, nagkamalan ka na naman po kagabi ni Kalag. Sabi niya, Ate Laren, hello. Pero yung pumasok, si Lorenan. Sabi ko, Bibi Kalag, it's not Ate Laren, it's Lorenan. Sabi niya, oo nga pala. Malooy. Ay, nako, sa imo may Pyongyang. Ay, ambot sa imo eh. Meron nga akong sipon, kaya maaga ako naligo. Sipon at saka ubo. Ay, kailangan ko pala mag-ano ng luya. Yung parang candy ba? No? Gagawin ko yan lahat. Later. Ate Laren, narinig mo ba sinabi ko, Ate Laren? Ate Laren, Direct 2, Direct 3, Direct 4, Direct 5, Direct 6, Direct 7, Direct 8, Direct 9, Direct 10. Ate Laren, Direct 2. Sweetheart. My sweetheart, Ate Lauren. Yan na all, sweetheart. Sweetheart. Sweetie, sweet, sweet. I call my niece really sweet, sweet. Because very sweet.